Today we will be working with sequence function, that is a function from Dynamic Array Excel, so from Excel 2021, and only first argument is required. The last three arguments will change the result of the sequence, the array that will be returned by a sequence function. And let's start with a simple sequence. So let's write sequence function and let's return 6 row, just 6 row. And when we just write number of rows, we will get a column starting from 1, and each number is larger by 1. So to each next number we are adding 1. So this is the simplest sequence, but we can generate also sequence that aren't a column. We can change the number of rows and columns. So let's make it 4 rows, 3 columns, and just like that we have an array result. And in this array, in this result, we can also change the starting point. Let's make it 3.5, and we can see we are starting from this point and still our step is 1, so each number is larger by the magnitude of 1. And so let's just add the last argument. Let's change the step difference between consecutive number, and let's make it minus 1.2, for example. And now we can see we can also generate descending sequences. So the more simplest example we have, but we can use those simple examples to generate data for example chart. And we need a sequence function that will have 61 rows, 1 column, and we will be starting from -3, and the step will be 0.1, so 1/10 of the whole number. And in such a manner our sequence on the chart looks a bit off because we don't have exact 0 value. We have some scientific number format because it's almost 0 but not quite. And sometimes when we create sequences we will see such a small number, small difference on the very far digit from the whole number. So to our sequence we need to add round function, for example, to make it precise number of digits. 1 should be fine. So just like that we now have a proper sequence when a 0 is actually a 0, and thanks to normal function we create data for this simple chart. And the last example we'll be talking about is creating dates. And for creating dates we can use date function. We can add a year and then we can add a month, but I want to have all months from a year, so from 1 to 12, and sequence function is ideal for here. Just sequence for 12 rows, and we don't need more arguments because we will get the sequence just like at the first example but with 12 rows. And let's say it's the 15th of the month, and just like that we will get the sequence of dates. And with other function we will be able to create even more sequences.